This is a demo for weld inspection. So we are using an Explorer Mac with FMCT-FM techniques. This hardware is able to retrieve data at 1 GB per second. It's very fast, or in this configuration we can go at 200 mm per second, which is far more what is required for welding inspection. So this is a DLA configuration. We are using two probes to have a better acoustic separation and to improve the signal to noise ratio. And we are just using a manual encoded scan like this. It contains a lot of signal processing techniques which allows you to get very nice imaging, like software filtering, phase coherence techniques. I think a very good point about that solution is that we are using crazy high data throughput with the Explorer Max, and we are able to get the data very fast. All the reprocessing and imaging is done by the computer. So really you have kind of two pipelines, one for acquisition, one for processing. So we are not limiting by the processing or the TFM algorithm in terms of acquisition speed. So that's big advantage of that technology.